Hello world, here's BD, your Bitcoin trading info man. Today I'm your Ethereum trading info man, and guys, we have a lot of things to watch about Ethereum. For the moment, yes, we see a nice pump to the upside, but guys, attention, the death cross is here. We need to watch it. We have some analysis here for you, so guys, let's go. And here we are. First of all, let's watch Bitcoin versus Ethereum. What can we see? We have for the moment 70,255 crypto coins here on CoinMarketCap. And yes, we can see Ethereum is going up a little bit more, 18.6%, and Ethereum is going up not so fast as Ethereum. We can see it here. Ethereum is going up with 8.79% in 24 hours, and in 7 days is going up with 14.6%. Bitcoin is only going up 3.7%, and in 7 days, 6%. So for the moment, it's better to trade Ethereum as Bitcoin. We see a nice jump against Bitcoin. That's really nice. And we have a really nice green chart picture here on the right side. Now, let's dive into this one. This is the chart analysis. And guys, here it is, really dangerous for the moment. What can we see here? Before we're checking this one, let me show you the price prediction. The price prediction from CoinCodex. What is telling us this one? It is telling us we may see a nice pump to the upside, about up to 3,300 US dollar here in the next 7 days. This would be awesome. We have here a nice sentiment. We are bullish with 60% and we are bearish only with 40%. Yes, the most things are telling us buy Ethereum. We have fear in the market. Yes, of course, we have fear in the market. And if we're going down a little bit more, we can see here support lines and resistance lines. Where are the next big things to watch before we watch this one here? We have this one, February the 7th. We may see 3,400 US dollar. This would be a plus from today, 23%. Really nice. Now, guys, remember the resistance levels to the upside: 2,760, 2,830, and let me tell it, 3,000 as a big resistance to the upside. Yes, that's the big psychological resistance. So now, I told you guys, attention. We have some things to talk about. This is the analysis now. We have here a big uptrend and a little uptrend and a little downtrend. Okay, we can see it here on the picture. This is the last picture I drew here. But what can we see here? Death cross. The death cross is here. It was on January the 28th. And after this, we are going to the upside a little bit more. Okay, that's not the big thing. But the big thing is we have a death cross on the daily time frame. And that's a really dangerous thing. Why? I know the death cross is a lag indicator. We saw here a death cross, after this soon a golden cross, and now what can we see? We have here the next stuff. The green line is coming down, the red line is here on the upside, and in my opinion we will not see here so soon a golden cross like this one here. And after the golden cross here we saw a nice pump to the upside. For the moment it's looking more as a dump to the downside, and as more dump to the downside because of this death cross. So let me show you more. This is the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame, yes, you can see it, a nice parallel channel to the upside, a bigger channel here, this great channel to the upside, okay, and a little downtrend channel. This is this one here, was coming from the upside to the downside. First of all, big question is now, can we stay in this little uptrend? That's the first big thing we need to watch. And after this, if we will lose this, we have a lot of space to the downside. So attention, guys. I hope for a breakout. I hope always for bullish stuff, guys. But I need to tell you both sides of the story. Let's check the next stuff now. Let's check the moving average on the day. The moving average on the day is nice. You can see we are buying more and more green candles. We are going to the upside, blue line over the brown line. Here, the cross was here 1 day after the death cross, and we are buying 3 nice green candles to the upside. Okay, that's fine. So let's watch this stuff on the weekly time frame. What can we see on the weekly? First of all, we saw a lot of red candles to the downside, one bigger as the other one. What do we need to watch? We need to watch this one. We need here a nice reversal. We need a nice reversal. We need a nice light red candles. And yes, for the moment, we are buying the first. I know we have time to close this weekly candle. 5 days, 16 hours, a long time. A lot of things can happen here. But for the moment we are buying a light red candle to the upside. This is really important. And on the monthly time frame, what can we see here? That's not so nice, because on the monthly time frame, we are building maybe a cross soon. this would be the first red candle to the downside. So guys, what do we need for the month? I know this month has time to close 27 days. But what do we need? We need a next green candle to the upside. That's so important. If we will go down here a little bit more, we have big problems. And attention guys, yes, we have a big wick to the downside. You can see it. Big wicks to the downside are always a sign for a next jump to the upside. For the moment, this monthly closing candle here was really nice with a long wick to the downside, and that's showing us maybe the direction to the upside. This would be nice. But yes, we have really bad stuff to watch. This is the death cross, and we have some bullish stuff to watch. This is the monthly closing candle, and now the big thing is, see we across here and then in this month, yes or no. So let's go deeper now. Let's go deeper in our analysis. Let's watch what is the action for the moment here. And the action for the moment is really nice. First of all, MACD is bullish, but you can see we are building here light green candles and we are going to the downside. Maybe we will see the next cross soon. Attention, attention. What's the next thing what we can see? The relative strength index is overbought here. You can see it. An overbought RSI is always a bad sign, guys, that we may go down here. So attention, attention. What can we see? That's the bullish stuff. We saw a golden cross. Look at this. We have here an important stuff to watch. This is this line because it's the middle line of this parallel channel to the upside. And you can see this middle line is a big resistance. So we have here a parallel channel from the downside to the upside. That's our positive parallel channel, the upgoing parallel channel, what we are trading, our bullish channel here. As long as we are in this channel, everything is okay with this pump. Everything is okay. We saw here maybe an inverse shoulder head shoulder, but this is not so important because it played out. What else do we see? We see, if we are watching the patterns, a line from here to here, a line from here to here, one from the upside to the downside, and one from the downside to the upside. This one is a diamond pattern, and the diamond pattern broke out to the upside. That's really nice on the 1 hour time frame, guys. This is really important. Golden cross is here and a breakout to the upside, a broken diamond pattern to the upside. That's also really nice. What do we have now? The red line, big resistance, 2,800 US dollar. Please keep in your mind 2.8 is really important. So we saw the golden cross, after this a death cross. After this we went down, a retest was here, and now we have both lines here as a support. The green line is here as a support and the red line is here as a support. So we have a lot of support on the downside, but we have big resistances to the upside. It's a big fight for the moment in my. We can use now our Fibonacci retracement in the 1 hour time frame. What can we see? Guys, it's fitting perfect. It's fitting so perfect. We saw a fight with this Fibonacci line, a retest here with the Fibonacci line, and after this a nice leg to the upside. So remember, this Fibonacci line is a confirmed one. 2,720 is the big support. It is the 0.5 Fibonacci line, and we need to hold this if we would like to see more jump to the upside. But remember, we have the next middle line to watch, and this is the next middle line fight, guys. I know, a lot of drawings here, a lot of lines here, but remember, 2,800 to the upside. Remember, 0.618 Fibonacci with 2,850, and after this, the 0.66, really important Fibonacci line with 2,900 or 2,800, and yes, 2,900 it's it. So, big things to watch to the upside, a lot of resistances. These are our Fibonacci lines. And what else can we see here? Let me check it. Where is the EMA ribbon? Here it is. EMA ribbon band. What's happening now? We have a long signal on the 1 hour time frame. We are over the ribbon band. It's a nice support, and the EMA, the yellow line, is also a nice one as a support. Remember, we are fighting for the moment with the middle line. This is the resistance. It's the middle line fight here on this position. Okay, let's move on. What else do we have here? We have here on the downside a lot of support lines. Yes, the EMA ribbon band is here as a support. I told you this, and also the EMA 200. Let's watch the 4 hour time frame. And what can we see here on the 4 hour? I'm really happy to see this because it is a long time ago we saw this. Look at the long signal. Look at this nice long signal here for the ribbon band. If you're zooming out, we saw here a short signal. It was December the 28th, and after this we are going down. And now we have it here back again. It was a long fight, but now we have here a long signal. The green ribbon band is starting now. It is here as our support. Nice. Support on the downside, resistance on the upside. Welcome to the fight. Let's fight. Remove all stuff. It's too much here. I would like to show you a little bit more. Remove all stuff, remove the indicators, remove the golden cross, death cross, remove everything. 4 hour time frame. What's the big thing now? First of all, this parallel channel to the downside is our bear trend channel. We need to break out. We broke it. We broke the middle line. Okay, nice. But we need to break out here of this damn downtrend channel. Where is the target? Show you. Depends always where we can hit the channel, but remember 3180 maybe is a big target. If we see a nice pump to the upside now, this is a really, really big resistance. So this is our channel, what we are trading here on the 4 hour time frame. Remove here everything and let me show you the next. The next stuff is here, the moving average on the 4 hour time frame. And it is a bullish one. You can see we are climbing. The blue line is over the brown line. Everything is okay. Relative strength index. Ooh, we are really, really high, guys. Attention, attention. We are not overbought for the moment, but we are really, really high. We can use a line from the downside to the upside. This is this line here. That's our big support line. And you can see we have some space to the downside. Maybe we're going down now a little bit. It's also possible. But we have also some space to the upside. Not so much because we are really, really high. This one on the upside is a resistance, and it was a big resistance. Now we broke this resistance to the upside. That's a really bullish move on the 4 hour time frame also, guys. Really, really nice. On the day, what's going on the day? Here is the biggest resistance on the day, okay? It's not so important for the moment. We have a lot of space to the upside on the day, so why not to jump up here to 3180? It's really possible. Why not? And we broke this little resistance. It's a little resistance. We broke it here, nice to the upside. So this is also looking bullish. Guys, we have some really bullish news here for Ethereum. You can see it. A lot of bearish stuff here. The only big thing what is shocking me is the death cross. Guys, sorry, let me check. This one here is my live stream. Bitcoin is going up really, really nice for the moment. I need to turn off here the signals. Guys, I'm live here on Bitcoin Trading Informant is the name on YouTube and on Twitch, 24 hours, 7 days a week. And you can watch here everything you need to watch for Bitcoin. I'm also live with Crypto Trading Informant. You can see there everything you need for Ethereum. Please watch it on YouTube, Crypto Trading Informant, and on Twitch. So let's move on. We are in the daily time frame here on Ethereum. Yes, we have the downtrend. We have a nice pump to the upside. We have the death cross. We have a lot of things. Now I will show you some more. Remove everything and check here the Ichimoku. Ichimoku is really important. Why? We are fighting for the moment on the daily time frame with the red line, the Ichimoku. We have a 26 length and a 9 length. We are now fighting with the 26 length. That's the red line. Here is the point. 2,800 US dollar is our big resistance if you're watching this one. And I told you guys, remember 2.8K. So this is a big stuff for the moment. We need a confirmed closing daily candle over this red line. We saw here a fight. After this, we went down really hard. The next try, down really hard. Now we have the next try, and I hope we can break out to the upside, guys. It's a hard fight. It's a hard movie now for Ethereum. The 4 hour time frame, it's nice. On the 4 hour time frame, we broke the blue line, the red line, and we are now over the red area. That's really, really nice. We see here, we are going out here really, really nice for hours. Back to the day. Back to the day. Back to our big resistance, 2.8K. And back to this stuff. Let's remove all here. And let me show you, before we end this video, it's a really long video for today, but it's so important. I have so much things to show you. Let me show you the multicolor Bollinger Band. Why? We can see here if we are in a bear market or in a bull market. For the moment on the day, we are still in a bear market. We saw here a nice pump to the upside, a gray zone. And after this, it started the bear market. We are still in the bear market. And what can we see? Look at the middle line of the Bollinger. We are fighting 2.8K. I told you 2.8K is a really big resistance. Here you can see it again. A big fight with this one. And I think if we can break 2.8, we may see a next consolidation phase or maybe a bullish phase. On the 4 hour time frame, we are in a bullish phase. Look at this. We saw here consolidation down to the downside, the next consolidation, and now we are buying the first green colors here. That's really nice. That's maybe a sign for a little jump to the upside on the 4 hour time. We need to watch it. Nice, really nice. With this multicolored Bollinger Band, guys, you can see if you are in the moment in a bullish phase or in a bearish phase. It depends always on the time frame what you're trading, but it's working really, really good. So this is the day. Now, before we end this video, I have to show you this one because it's a really important pattern. I will not tell you that we fill this pattern, but remember, this pattern here, if this will play out to the downside, it is an M pattern. And we have a bad target to the downside for the M pattern because it's the starting point, about 500 US dollar. We will not speak about this, guys. No, give me no time to the downside for this. It's only a big thing you should keep in your mind. It's the M pattern and everything is possible on crypto coins, guys. You know it. So the next stuff what I would like to show you is this one here. It is not the beautifulest, but it is a possible left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. The big question is now, is the right shoulder now here in the future, or did we saw the right shoulder here? So we can make one thing, we can make a trend line from the downside, from here, from this point to the upside. And what can we see? We broke the trend line here to the downside completely. Maybe we are retesting this trend line now, and after this, the next jump to the downside. But guys, the technical target, that's really important for a shoulder head shoulder pattern, is here on this point, and let me show you this one. Okay, we will not speak about 1000 US dollar. We will remove this stuff. It's not so a big thing, but guys, remember, patterns are working here on daily time frame really, really nice. So maybe a M, maybe a shoulder head shoulder. We have bad stuff to the downside. We have the death cross, guys, remember. So don't be too bullish if you are trading. Yes, use stop losses and so on and so on. I need to show you both targets to the upside and to the downside, and for the moment we have some bad targets to the downside, and I need to show you this, guys. This is the end of the video. This is the bad thing what happened here on the daily time frame. This is the death cross. It's not telling you that we're going to hell now. It's telling you, attention, guys, we are in a death cross zone and we are in a really bad bearish zone for Ethereum. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial. Bye, guys.
System activated.